I made a children's story for my craft project, Chuck the Squirrel's Adventure. Once upon a time, in a forest known as Greenville, there was a squirrel named Chuck and a bluebird named JJ. On a sunny but cold day, Chuck was collecting acorns and JJ swooped in. "Are you sure you want those acorns?" JJ said. "You're fat enough already." At this, Chuck started to cry. When Chuck's friends Lucky and Lulu saw, Lucky went to help when Lulu stayed back and watched. Finally, Lulu stepped in too. "That's not funny," Lucky and Lulu said. "I'm sorry," JJ apologized. Then they all helped Chuck pick more acorns, and JJ learned that when there's nothing nice to say, don't say anything.